Welcome back to the vlogs. Mistakes were made. I'm here at Angel of the Winds Casino and Resort. This is the second annual regional here. No audio from yesterday's clips. It's unfortunate. So, we're starting the vlog off today. I'm bowling B squad. We bowl 8 games of qualifying like usual. Most of my buddies are on this squad, so let's take a look at who's bowling. But yeah, sorry, the pro-am was fun last night. Got some practice in. Actually, we can go show you the balls real quick and then we'll get some clips of the guys that are bowling right now. The scores don't look super high. I didn't think they would be, but bowling on 36 feet. Yeah, it looks like a urethane fest. The guys are bowling game 5 and they're still in it. So, hopefully the fast pitch rolls good. But I'm gonna go get some breakfast. They started late, so we're probably gonna start late. Or they didn't start late, they had a breakdown. So, breakfast it is, and then we'll get ready to dominate the day. So, if you bowl 300 this weekend, it's $1,000 free play in the casino. And you just shot 297. Can we do it today? My mom really hopes so, but man, exciting.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Jesse and Darren here. We just want to interrupt this video and let you know that we want to do the biggest bowling ball giveaway that the world has ever seen.
100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If we can do it, we're going to give away 100 bowling balls. Maybe one of these balls in the video could go to somebody like you watching at home.
If you want to be a part of that, subscribe to the channel.
Red button, make it not red anymore.
Alright, so I had this GT tape in this pouch, but the airport broke the zipper, so I couldn't open it. So I got the side of the bag open so I could reach in there and grab the tape. These big bags don't travel well. 10 out of 10 don't recommend. Well, I got 70 over after 2. I'm not bowling great. I had a lot of fortunate hits, but it's just sloppy. I feel like I could have a lot more if I was just better. So hopefully the next 6 games gets better, quality-wise. Not thinking about the scores. I think the quality of bowling just needs to be better, but we're in a pretty good spot after 2. Alright, we're 6 games in. I finally went to reactive. I got about 200 over with urethane, so it did its job, but I thought it was time. I could have thrown urethane on that last pair, but felt like I was on the fence. So went to the wrong ball, had a couple of opens and a double, and then I made a ball change and struck to the 10th for 230. So hopefully the next couple of pairs are nice to us, and this dart code keeps rolling good. Finished strong. I think we're leading with 2 to go, so we're bowling okay. So I feel like I'm kind of in the same spot, different ways with reactive versus urethane. Urethane, I could bowl a clean 230. Reactive, if I don't strike, it's not getting 9. So hopefully I just hit the pocket every time and bowl 300 for Mom because she wants $1,000 in free play. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but they're giving us $1,000 in free play. We bowl 300. I haven't been able to strike in the first 2 frames like at all today, and I'm bowling pretty good. I'm like 270 over, so. Hopefully we can get it. Boom! Leaders in the clubhouse plus 327. It was a pretty good day. Missed a couple of spares the last 3 games I'm not proud of, but it's coming together. Definitely a lot better than the last few weeks have been. Feeling better. Feel like I'm bowling better, seeing the lanes a bit more ideal. Just a tip for you guys out there, don't get too high. Don't get too low. Try to stay as even keel as possible, because I watched a big crash the last game and it's not what you want to see. Also, another tip, if you're going to bowl a PBA event, when it's your turn, go, because a lot of that happened again today. People weren't going when they were supposed to go, and I threw the cross off, and it bugs me more than it should because it just happens way too often. And also, bring your balls with you from pair to pair, because you got to make some room for the incoming bowlers. Don't bring 18 bowling balls and leave them on your starting pair, because it's just very inconsiderate. That's all I got to say. See you guys tomorrow for 8 games of round robin match play, and then a top 4 step ladder. So hopefully we can keep our foot on the gas and get the job done. See you tomorrow.